So here's what I got so far. I got a main connection here that goes to the inside of the fuselage. Then I have the starter, the alternator, the ground leg is back here. I think out of this hole is going to be one of the controls for the fuel injection. The other one's going to have to be on the other side. And so everything's clamped together. This is the main fuse. It's an 80 amp fuse. I'm gonna have to insulate it, but it'll be in that position. Then it kind of comes here. They'll clamp it, one more over there. Alternator goes here. I need to terminate it, and starter goes to the starter. Hope you can see it. And I have to terminate that over there. So to take the engine off of the airplane, all you have to do is disconnect a few things. Disconnect alternator, disconnect starter, disconnect main connection here. I'll show you. Got a bunch of, most of the wires go through there. Then we have to disconnect this one up here, which is the fuel. You can see from there. Disconnect that guy right here. Fuel to the pump. Obviously the ground right here. And yeah, then we got these couple of cables up here, this for the ignition. And after that, you can just take the bolts, nuts and bolts off, take the engine back. Oh yeah, we do have that problem with that nut that is backward. I need to get underneath here to undo one of the nuts first. But anyway, should be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 things, and then you can remove the engine. Slowly coming together. I just fell backward on this stupid ass stool, busted my head and my back on that thing. So I think I'm gonna call it a day for today. I've had enough. I'm okay.